Hi guys, Jake here at DmaxStore, and today we've got our 2022 Chevy Silverado Work Truck Edition. This is a 3500 HD crew cab long bed, and we've got a Kryptonite Stage 3 leveling kit with Fox 2.5 Performance Elites with the DSC adjusters. That means you can adjust the low and high speed compression on these. This is a very premium leveling kit, and we know all you guys really want to see is this truck off-road. So we're gonna go ahead and take it down this dirt road real quick and let you guys know what to expect when you're buying a premium leveling kit such as this. I mean, it really handles the bumps pretty darn well for what it is. I mean, we've got some really rocky terrain here, and it's riding really good for a 3/4 ton truck. And what's cool is you can really dial this in for exactly what you want to do. If you're gonna be off-roading it more, you can dial up the compression, you can dial it back, you can really, with that dual compression adjuster, make the shocks work exactly how you want. So with the 2.5, you have a much larger actual piston within the shock itself, which gives you a lot more control. But if you're cruising on these dirt roads and taking it hunting, doing stuff like that, or if you just want to go camping to a cool spot, like way back in the desert, somewhere really remote, if you really want to reach those remote spots, this is a level truck and it rides pretty good. So overall, I mean, pretty happy with the way that this thing handles for a 1-ton truck. I mean, this does not have any crazy off-road racing suspension. Literally torsion bars cranked up, Kryptonite upper control arms, Kryptonite steering, which that I think really is going to be the most important piece of this puzzle. If you want to take your truck off-road, if you're really ever using 4-wheel drive, the factory tie rods, they have two main hiccups. The first one is going to be size. Overall size, they're just puny. And number two is actual joint themselves. It's actually limiting your down travel. So that's going to lead to premature tie rod wear. So you're going to have to replace your tie rod ends more often. And with the Kryptonite Centerlink and Kryptonite tie rods, you really get all of that taken care of. So there's no limitation, as there's that 90-degree in there. So you have that radial joint that's going to be able to droop out as much as your suspension is. So your suspension is truly doing the suspension work, and your steering is doing the steering work. So, I mean, overall, really good setup with the Kryptonite Stage 3 leveling kit, Kryptonite Ultimate front end package, and Fox 2.5 Performance Series shocks. This is a great option for a lot of people. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this helps you make a more informed decision when you're buying a premium leveling kit such as this Kryptonite Stage 3 leveling kit with Performance Elite shocks from Fox. So overall, these are really good performing shocks both on and off-road. Get your Duramax suspension at DmaxStore.com.